yeah? Be the light you wish to see in the world. And yeah, you often see the light in others, the light you also want. And these people are just a reflection of the light that is in you, yeah? Because the truth is, it is in you, yeah? This light is within you too. And you are your own North Star. So really go and find the connection to your heart, which is your North Star, yeah? And the only North Star you should follow is also your heart. So make those things happen you always wanted to make happen. Step into the leader role in different ones and see which one fulfills you, and do what you can to become better, to act, be and move also like your highest self, and just remember, in the end we all just want to live a happy, free, abundant life full of love and light, feel at home, have our basic human needs met, to thrive and to be fully us, Isn't that true? But we have to remind ourselves that life isn't just love and light. Life does what it wants, and we humans are not just love and light either. We are humanizing, we all have our emotions, our story, our moments. We all need to learn and to come back to the dance, to dance through life, and also to let all our shadows burn through the fire of love, the fire of love, to let them all burn in the fire of love, to let all our shadows burn in it. And therefore, we all need to allow it and to not sabotage ourselves. For our own luck, our own luck in life and happiness, and to not fall back into our minds, to get stuck there, and you know what, in the end it's just one decision. And it sounds always so simple, and it not always is that simple, right? And also especially to stick with it in all situations life puts us into. But please take a deep breath, hold on for a second, drop into your heart and into your full body, and choose love. Choose love over fear, choose love over everything. Choose love over everything else. And I'm promising myself to choose to let my shadows burn in the fire of love, So go and choose for yourself to also step into the embodiment of a person who has unconditional love, a person who has unlimited compassion, a person who has endless kindness. I love all these characteristics in people who can be that person for themselves, but especially also for others, and put it out in the world. It's so beautiful, Do you know some people like that? Do you have some people like this in your own life? I do, and I'm so happy and so grateful for them. So now you attract also what you are and what you send out every moment. So drop into your body, into your heart, and build up a strong and good throat-heart connection, especially, to also express it. And it all starts within you. It all is already within you. So activate it. It's just waiting for you, that you activate it, that you reconnect to it, that you step into it. And to say, it's waiting for you. These feelings here, it's waiting for you to reconnect with it, to step into your power, to get aware of your own power, your own light, yeah? Your love, your gifts, your inner wisdom. And also to spread it, yeah, to really go and spread it with the world, with the people outside. And be the love and light you wish to see in the world. Now is the time to start. Now is always the right time. You're ready. You're so ready. So I'm sending you so much love. And now go and share this with everyone who needs to hear this right now.